Hi dear children, welcome to the new session of Maths. Today we will start with the lesson 12, measurement of capacity. Okay? For this, open page 161. Already we have done measurement of length, measurement of weight. So today we will do the measurement of capacity. Okay? So how we will do this? Start the lesson. Here this is a bottle of Coca-Cola. Okay, this is the bottle of Coca-Cola, and what is written here? Here it's written 1, and this L is for liters. Okay, we measure capacity in liters and milliliters. Okay, we measure capacity in liters and milliliters. Okay, so this bottle, how much liquid I contain? This bottle is saying how much liquid I contain. Okay, then the amount of the liquid which I contain, the amount of liquid, see, amount of liquid I contain is called its capacity. Okay, whatever amount of liquid this bottle is containing, that is its capacity. So understood what is capacity? Okay, I contain 1 liter of liquid. This is saying I contain 1 liter of liquid. So my capacity is 1 liter. So its capacity is 1 liter. Okay, 1 liter, we can write liter like this L also. L means liter. So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliters. In 1 liter, how many milliliters are there? 1000. Okay, and milliliters in short form we can write ml. Okay, understood? So I can also say that my capacity is 1000 milliliters. So this bottle's capacity is 1 liter, or you can say 1000 milliliters. 1 liter is 1000 milliliters and 1000 milliliter is 1 liter. Understood? So what is capacity? Capacity, the amount of the liquid which a container, any container, okay, is can contain is called capacity. Okay, now next, the following containers, here so many containers are here. See, the following containers are used to measure capacity. These vessels are used to measure kerosene, petrol, etc. So kerosene, petrol, milk, juices, all they are in liquid state. Okay, so these vessels are used to measure kerosene, petrol, etc. In this container is of 100 ml, 100 milliliter. This container is of 200 milliliter. This container is of 500 milliliter, and this is of 1 liter. Okay, so it can contain 1000 milliliters liquid. Okay, now this is 100 milliliter again. These containers are used to measure milk. These containers, you all have seen in your houses that this container we can use to measure milk. Okay, these containers are used to measure milk. This is of 100 milliliter. This is of 200 milliliter. This container is of 500 ml, and this is of 1 liter. 1 liter means 1000 milliliters. So understood? Now come to the next page. Units of capacity. Okay, units of capacity. Here one bottle is here, tomato ketchup bottle. So here this is an exercise, and their measurement is written on the containers only. So see these measurement and write and fill up these. Okay, now first my capacity is, see here this ketchup is saying, see 1.5 is written here, so 1.5 liter. Here this is a glass of 200 milliliter, so my capacity is 200 milliliters. Here again Coca-Cola bottle 2 liter is written here, so my capacity is 2 liters. Next is my capacity is, this is a bottle is 250 milliliters. Here jam bottle, my capacity 500 milliliter is written here, so 500 milliliter will come here. This is a Bisleri bottle, my capacity is 1 liter, 1 is written here. Here this is a can of Coca-Cola, my capacity is 300 is written here. Okay, 300 milliliters. Here again a bottle of soft drink Pepsi, my capacity is 600 milliliters, 600 is written here. This is a bucket, My capacity is, here it's written 14 liters. What? 14 liters. Okay. So this is the exercise, do after the session. Now come to the next page, 163. Here exercise 12.1. Here addition and subtraction of capacity. Here some sums are written of subtraction and addition. Okay. Solve the following. Okay. For this we can take the help of our hand. Okay. See, plus 1 plus 0 you all know 1. Then 3 plus 2, this is 5. So 51 is the answer. Again 2 plus 1, 3. And 4 plus 2. What we will do? We will take the help of our hand. We keep the big number in our mind. 4 we will keep in our mind. And we will count up to 2. See here. After 4, which number will come? 5. 5, 6. So 6 is the answer. 63 is the answer. Then 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. We have already done so much practice of our addition and subtraction with the hand. So I know you all have understood the topic very well. So 44 plus 20 is 64. 21 plus 12 is 33. Here 31, 30, 25 is 86. 41, 32, 15, 88. 33, 13, 13, 59. 44, 11, 14, 69. 21, 42, 23, 86. So we have done with addition. Now we'll start with the subtraction. Here 60 is written 43. This is subtraction sum, and you all know that in subtraction we need bigger number on the top line. But here 0 is written, so we can't cut 3 out of 0. So what we will do? We'll take the help from this number. We'll take one number from here. We'll write 1 here, and it will become 10. And we have taken one number from 6, so it will become 5. So out of 10 we will cut 3. So see here, first we will count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And cut 3 out of this. 1, 2, 3. These are cut. So how much is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will write 7 here. And out of 5 minus 4 is 1. So 17 is the answer. The same way we'll do next questions. Here 94 minus 22, 72. 28 minus 25, 3. 31 minus 16, 15. Here 1 is smaller than 6. So we'll take one number from here. It will become 11, and this 3 will become 2. So out of 11 we are cutting 6. So 5 is the answer. And here 2 minus 1 is the answer. Again 39 minus 36, 3 is the answer. 42 minus 33, 9 is the answer. 51 minus 40, 11 is the answer. 33 minus 13, 20 is the answer. 74 minus 24, 50 is the answer. 50 minus 31, 19 is the answer. 41 minus 24, 17 is the answer. 53 minus 23, 30 is the answer. 44 minus 23, 21 is the answer. 63 minus 23, 40 is the answer. 29 minus 23, 6 is the answer. So we have done with the book exercises, and the rest we will do in the next video. And now we will do some work in the copy. Chapter 12, measurement of capacity, fill-ups. Okay. 1 liter L is equal to 1000 milliliters ml. Underline this. Okay. Standard unit of meters, metric system is meter or m. Standard unit of measuring weights, kilogram or kg. Underline this kilogram and kg. Underline this meter and m. Standard unit of measuring capacity, liters, or we can write L. Okay, underline this. The amount of the liquid which I contain is called capacity. Underline this capacity. Next question, what is capacity? The amount of the liquid which is contained by a container, any vessel, any container, glass, bottle, you can say anything, is called capacity. Okay, so we have done measurement of capacity, and till then, take care. Bye.